Metro by T-Mobile provides easy ways to access your billing statement. You can download it as a PDF, print a copy, or email it to yourself or someone else. To start, you'll need your Metro account login credentials. You can access your statements through the My Metro app on iOS or Android, or via the Metro by T-Mobile website. Both platforms offer a billing and payments section where you can view and manage your statements. The statements detail your usage, charges, and balance. Once you're in the billing and payments section, select the billing cycle you want to view, such as the current or a past month. To download, simply click the Download button to save the statement as a PDF. For printing, open the downloaded PDF and use your device's print function. To email the statement, choose the Email Statement option. Enter the recipient's email address and confirm. Statements are sent as secure PDF attachments. Metro by T-Mobile also offers automated email notifications for new statements. For security reasons, never share your login credentials.